Hello everyone, I'm Rahat Mirani and I am from Knowbal Migration and Education. So today I will be talking about how to apply for National Police Check. So first of all, just go to Google and type AFP. Then you will see you have to apply for National Police Certificate. So open that website and you will see something like this and then click get a police check and you will see there will be a window popping up after clicking on getting a police check. You have to just click this option. I have read and understood the instructions. Start new online application and then you have to select at least one primary document. And since we are immigrants, you will select foreign passport, which is your current foreign passport. And if you are from any other background or if you feel that you are eligible for other primary documents also, you can select that as well. And after that, in secondary documents, you can put everything. As you can see, there are certain points collected and it said that you must select at least 100 points worth of documents. So I selected foreign passport, so I got 70 points. Now if I select more, like for example from secondary documents, and please remember you only have to select one primary document. And after that, when you come to secondary document, you will see there are a list of documents given here. I will choose bank statement and you can see my total point is 95, which means I need one more document to satisfy the criteria of 100 points. Okay, since it's written you must select at least 100 points worth of documents. So I'll select property lease agreement since I'm already living in Australia, which is my current address. Okay, and after this, I have accumulated 120 points. And then I'll select, I have scanned the identity document specified above. And then we'll click next. And then we are going to just mention our name, our surname, and then our date of birth. Just fill it quickly and we'll put our email address. We'll confirm our email address and then we'll select the purpose. For what are we doing the police check? Like for example, if you're working in ACT or our employment, whatever, and then we'll select which sector we are applying in. If you're going for aged care job, then you will select aged care, then overseas employment, etc. And then if you want to request for hard copy certificate, you can even request for that. Email address. Okay. This is just for demo purposes. Okay. So then you select next and then you have to select again this, you have to acknowledge everything, accept everything. And then whatever documents you have chosen in the first page, you have to upload that now. Like for example, bank statement. So I'll choose any document as of now and I'll directly upload it. The next is passport. I'll select and I'll upload the passport. Then I have chosen lease agreement also. So I have to, like if we select 3 documents, then you have to upload all the documents which you have mentioned in the first page. And after that, you just have to click, I have uploaded 100 points of identification. Obviously, before that, you have to select upload files. Then they'll upload it. And then you have to say, I have uploaded 100 points of documents. And after that, you select your country of birth and then your contact number and then your driver's license, whatever your license number is. If you don't have a license, that's fine. And then yes. Oh, sorry. Have you ever been known by any other name? You will just say no. If you have other name, you will select yes. If you don't have any other name, then no. Then we'll go to next. Then we'll choose our country of residence, which is your current address, current residential address. Sorry, Australia. Then you will select your address and your postcode. Then whatever your start date is of that particular address where you're staying, and then you will also say mailing address. If it's the same residential address, just click on that. If it's a different address, then click on different. And then lastly, before submitting, please complete the checklist. You have provided your name and date of birth. Yes. And you have to say, I have attached all the following documents, whatever you have chosen in the first page. And then after clicking next, there will be a payment page and you just have to fill your card details, your name, your expiry date, and your card verification code. That is your CVV. And accordingly, you have to make the payment. And after this, your police check application will be submitted. So this is how you have to apply for your police check. Thank you so much.